Friends, in our last video we discussed your chapter number 4 agriculture, and in that video we discussed the meaning of agriculture and the types of agriculture. But in our today's video we'll cover the next half of the chapter. In today's chapter we will discuss the major crops of the world grown in the different countries, and we will discuss agricultural development. What is agricultural development and what is required for the agricultural development? Let us discuss the major crops first. The major crops of the world include, number one is rice. Okay, rice is the staple food of the tropical and the subtropical areas, and rice they best grow in the alluvial clay soil. जो मिट्टी बहुत ज़्यादा clay होती है, चिकनी मिट्टी होती है, उसमें grow करते हैं. And rice requires high temperature, high humidity, and a lot of water to grow well. And the leading producers of rice in the world is China, followed by the US, followed by India and Argentina and other countries. The other major food crop of the world is wheat. Wheat best grows in the alluvial loamy soil which is well drained, जिसमें से पानी निकल जाता है, खड़ा नहीं रहता, रुकता नहीं है उसमें, उस सॉइल में ये ग्रो करती है wheat. Wheat requires moderate temperature and moderate rainfall. In India it grows in winters, and the leading producer of wheat in the world is USA. The third major crop of the world is millets. Millets are also known as the coarse grains because जब उनको grind किया जाता है तो their flour is very coarse, rough होता है, खुरदरा होता है, दानेदार, बहुत मोटे मोटे दानों में पिसता है और बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें ग्लूटेन नहीं होता. तो वो जब हम उसका डो बनाते हैं, जो उसका आटा गूंदते हैं, तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा इकट्ठा नहीं होता है. Millets are best grown in the areas where there is land not fertile, so it can the millets can be grown in the less fertile soil also. Usually it is grown in the sandy soils, in the deserted areas mostly. The millets include jawar, bajra, ragi, and in India all the three crops, these three crops, the jawar, bajra, ragi and jawar, bajra and ragi are grown, and the leading producer of millets are India, Nigeria and Niger. Fourth major crop is maize or corn, you can say. Maize also grows in the same kind of climatic conditions where the wheat is grown, the moderate temperature and moderate rainfall. The wheat is also grown in India in the same areas where the wheat is grown, in the other parts of the world also. Number 5, we will discuss two major fiber crops. One is cotton and another is jute. These two crops, cotton and jute, are known as fiber crops because from them we get the fiber, जिससे हमें धागा मिलता है, रेशे मिलते हैं. तो कॉटन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द कॉटन इंडस्ट्री, टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री, जहाँ पे कॉटन के कपड़े बनते हैं, उसके लिए कॉटन बहुत ज़रूरी रॉ मटेरियल है. कॉटन बेस्ट ग्रोज इन alluvial soil and black soil. So cotton requires very high, cotton requires cool, high temperature and light rainfall. Cotton grows in high temperature areas and little less rainfall areas. Okay. Jute grows in the very high and humid climate, high temperature and humid climate पे वो grow करती है. Jute is also known as golden fiber, and jute best grows in the areas where the amount of the rainfall is very high. So the leading producers of jute are India and Bangladesh. Let us discuss about now two beverage crops, drinks जिनसे बनते हैं. One is tea and another is coffee. Tea grows in the areas where the gentle hill slopes and the water does not keep on standing on the surface, it runs quickly, and the tea grows in the cool climate and with a well drained soil. The leading producers of tea in the world are Kenya in Africa and India, Sri Lanka. Coffee grows in the very high humid climate with the high temperature, and it also grows on the gentle slopes of the hilly areas. Coffee is again a beverage crop which is grown in the large quantities in Brazil. Now we will discuss about agricultural development. Agricultural development is very necessary for food security. Let us discuss the term food security first. Food security is the security for the food. Means when everyone is able to get enough sufficient food quantities required for everyday's need, so then that condition in the country is known as food security. And food security is the responsibility of the government in the country, that everyone is provided with the sufficient quantities of the food. And to achieve that, for providing food security to the people in the country, agricultural development is very necessary. Agricultural development is the development of agriculture, means to increase the agricultural production. Whatever the crops are, food crops are grown in the farms and by the agricultural sector, to increase the quantities of those crops, food crops, to provide sufficient food to the people, is called the agricultural development. Agricultural development depends upon many things. When all these things that we will discuss now are available, then we can say that the annual production, per annum production of the agriculture, when increases using all those factors or things, so we can say the country is achieving the agricultural development. Let us know the factors which we can use to develop the agriculture, or we can achieve by them the agricultural development. Number one is investment, means more money. More money is required. The farmers need money for buying pesticides, chemicals, HYV seeds, many equipments, machines also, tractors also, like, so they need more money. So when money is provided, investment is more production will come out. Number two, use of HYV seeds. HYV seeds are high yield variety of seeds. So farmers can use the seeds which are HYV seeds, means which give high yield, high amount of the crop. Harvest is more than using the ordinary seeds. So they can, by using the HYV seeds, can get more harvest, more yield. Use of modern farming techniques. What are the modern farming techniques? They can use different techniques at their farms, like for sowing the seeds, for harvesting the crops, for controlling the pests at the farm. They can use different machines, different techniques, irrigation facilities also. Farmers can use modern and advanced irrigation facilities at the farm when the enough water is available for irrigating the farm, so they can get more harvest. When there is no water available, agricultural produce will also automatically come less. Use of machines. Machines reduce the burden of the farmers by doing more work in less time. More machines can be used at the farm to get the more harvest or more production from the farm. So these are the things that can be done to achieve the agricultural development. Now let us see if India has achieved agricultural development or not, and what is the condition of farmers in India compared to the farmers in USA. Okay. India comparing to USA. In India, farmers are poor. USA farmers are rich. Farmers have more money in USA, but in India farmers have less money. So they have to take the loans every time for the different agricultural activities. In USA, farmers need not to take the loans. Small plots of land, large farms. In India, farmers have small plots of land for cultivation, so they automatically come up with the less production of agriculture. In USA, farmers have large farms and more production comes out from the large farms. Sorry. In India, farmers use traditional farming techniques. They use the traditional tools which take a lot of time for the farming activities. In USA, farmers use modern farming techniques. They use more machines on the farms, and they use computers also, the machines for leveling the ground also, and the drills also. So they have automatically come up with more production, more yield. So they earn more money. In USA, they are more advanced. They are more richer. And in India, farmers, their condition is poor. They have small plots of land and they use traditional farming techniques. So this is how the development in India is still ongoing. Farmers, the government is trying to provide more facilities to the farmers and to improve their condition in the country. Thank you.